Yeah, the client is here. That's why he is on the street. Did you give me permission to speak to them so that we find a shelter space for you?
CORE program stands for Community Outreach, Response and Engagement. It's a feet-on-the-ground approach in association with the Toronto Public Health, police, and nurses working together to provide care and support to the most vulnerable people in downtown Toronto.
I'm wondering, do you have any space? I have a client who is interested in getting into a shelter.
We're a team of nurses and police. We walk around the downtown area and do outreach work, go up to and meet clients that are on the streets. And we first just offer some supplies that includes harm reduction supplies, warm clothing like socks and toques. Once we do that, we get to know them and we introduce our program, which is ongoing case management. A lot of the time that includes getting into a shelter, getting on a housing list.
This is Sylvia from the Downtown CORE team. The need is great. People out there really need health services. We reach them at their points of need. We are trying to break those barriers, and they really appreciate the work we do when we go to them and talk to them.
I finally opened the door to them, and I'm glad I did because I mean they've been awesome. They've been really good, and I've spread the word to lots of other people. A lot of people out here on the streets, you can see them walking around, open wounds, open sores. I've seen you guys taking care of people with that, right? So I think it's amazing.
I've been outside probably about 10 years off and on. I have a dog, Parker, and when I first met them, he was in the pound. I had no money to get him out, so they helped me with getting my dog back, which I would have never got Parker back. And this is my boy Parker right here. I love him so much. He's my buddy. It's a blessing. And it's not like they just help you and then go away. They help you and then they want to know, okay, what else do you need?
We've had an overwhelmingly positive response so far by the community and most importantly, the clients that we serve. They tell us how grateful they are to see us. They know that we're building connection and relationship with them. We're meeting them where they're at and we're committed to their well-being.
Reception's been great. We're averaging over 200 interactions per week and just great positive stories coming back day in and day out. Part of what the CORE is doing is we're actually offering long-term case management solutions to some of these clients.
Building relationships builds trust. There's a lot of vulnerable and underhoused people that are out on our streets right now. This program really reflects the Chief's commitment to our community, and we're here to bridge that gap between policing, mental health, our healthcare system, and the underhoused.
Yeah, I really want to check on because we haven't seen her. So.
Empathy and kindness is the core of what we do. And that's what we're doing. We're reaching out to the people that are underhoused and the people that need our help.
We're creating hope for people that may feel like they have very little hope. And we're doing that by removing barriers, creating access to care, ultimately creating healthier communities for everyone.